You are welcome back from break. Let's continue from where we stopped. Now we come to the last subtitle under number base. Division of number bases. Example 1. Divide this number by this. Use the expansion methods for this division. First write 101101 base 2 divided by 1001 base 2. That is what we are doing. And it means convert these to base 10 for easy ride. And also these to base 10. In converting this to base 10, what do you have? 1 times the base 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raised to power 5 plus, I skip the 0 digit. So I go for 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0 divided by all this, represent this first number, now expanded to be converted to base 10. Now, next is this. 1 times 2 raised to power this 0, 1, 2, 3 raised to power 3 plus, I skip these zeros, I go for the real number 1, 2 raised to power 0. See what I'm doing? Be careful with it. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. 32 times 1 is 32 plus 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is still 4 plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 divided by 2 raised to power 3 is 8 times 1, 8 plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1 times 1 is 1. 32 plus 8, that's 40, plus 1 plus 4, that's 45, divided by 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 45 divided by 9 is 5. That's it. Because 45 now is a base 10 number, 9 is a base 10 number. Ordinary division now in base 10. So you have 5. You now convert this 5 back to base 2, and that gives your final answer. Let's convert this 5 to base 2. 2 in 5, that's 2, remainder 1. 2 in 2, 1, remainder 0. 2 in 1, 0, remainder 1. Pick your answer from the bottom. Therefore, 101101 base 2 divided by 1001 base 2 equals 101 base 2. And that is the final answer. Let's consider example 2. Simplify 100111 base 2 divided by 1101 base 2. So that is 100111 base 2. I put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 1101 base 2. I put 0, 1, 2, 3. I want to convert each of the number to base 10 for easy division. So we have 1 times 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, I bracket this, divided by the other number now, 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. If you look at it critically, you see that I skipped the zeros here. And once I skip any 0, I skip the power of that 0 alongside in order not to run into confusion. So the same thing I did here. I skipped this 0, so and I skipped its power alongside as well. So 2 raised to power 5 is 32. 32 times 1, that is 32, plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 raised to power 1 is 2, times 1 is still 2, plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. I bracket it still, divide it by 2 raised to power 3, that's 8, times 1, 8, plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have 32 plus 4, that's 36, plus 2, that's 38, plus 1, that is 39, divided by 8 plus 4, that's 12. 12 plus 1, that is 13. 39 is ordinary number in base 10. 13 also is ordinary number in base 10. So dividing 39 by 13, we have 3. And that 3 is in base 10. Therefore, to get our final answer, convert that 3 in base 10 to base 2 to fit in as the answer to the question. So we have 3 divided by 2. We are converting it back to base 2. 2 divides 3, we have 1. Remainder 1. 2 in 1, impossible. Put 0, remainder 1. So arrow up like this. That means 100111 base 2 divided by 1101 base 2 gives 11 base 2 as the answer. So that is the final answer. Example 3. Simplify 1120 base 3 divided by 21 base 3. We have 1120 base 3, 0123 divided by 21 base 3, 01. So this is 1 times 3 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 3 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 3 raised to power 1. I will not bother myself to do the last one, which is for digit 0, because it will eventually give me 0. So I bracket this, divided by 2 times 3 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 3 raised to power 0. So this is 3 raised to power 3 is 27. 27 times 1 is 27 plus. Now 3 raised to power 2 is 9. Times 1 is 9. 3 raised to power 1 is 3. 3 times 2, that is 6. In brackets, divided by 3 raised to power 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 3 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So here we have 27 plus 9. That is 36 plus 6. That is 42. Divided by 6 plus 1, that is 7. 42 divided by 7, that gives 6. But this division is done in base 10, and we are to do it in base 3. So we convert this 6 base 10 to base 3. Therefore, 6 base 10 equals 3 into 6. 3 in 6, that is 2, remainder 0. 3 in 2 is 0, remainder 2. Pick it from there, from that part. Therefore, 1120 base 3 divided by 21 base 3 equals 20 base 3. And that is the answer. We now come to miscellaneous questions. Having done justice to all the concepts under number base, the conversions, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now we come to miscellaneous questions. Example 1 of such. Find the value of square root of 11001 base 2. To be straightforward, all we need to do is to find and to convert the numbers under the root to base 10. That is 1 times 2 raised to power 4 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. You must understand what I have done. I skipped the 2 zeros and I skipped their powers alongside. So you know the first 0 should have power 2 and the second 0 should have power 1. So I skipped the 2 of them because I don't want to deal with 0. 0 will give me 0 as a result. So why troubling myself? 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 16 times 1 is 16 plus 2 raised to power 3, that's 8. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So we have square root of 25. 25 is in base 10 now as ordinary number. So what is square root of 25? Normally, that is 5. So this 5 is the square root of this number 25. But this number 25 is 11001 in base 2. So we have to convert this 5 in base 10 to base 2 to have the actual answer. Therefore, 5 in base 2 will be 2 divided 5, that is 2, remainder 1. 2 divides 2 once, remainder 0. 2 in 1 is not possible. Put 0, say remainder 1. Pick your answer from the bottom. Say, therefore, square root of 11012 is equal to 101 base 2. And that is it. Example 2. Simplify 1101 base 2 in bracket raised to power 2 plus 1001 base 2. So we have 1101 base 2 times 1101 base 2. 1 times 1 is 1, times 0 is 0, 1, 1. 0 times 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 times 1, this 1, times 0, 0, times 1, 1, times 1, 1. 1 times 1, that's 1, times 0, that's 0, times 1, 1, times 1, that's 1. So we have 1, 0. This is 2, but because we are operating in base 2, we cannot write the 2 down. So 2 into 1, remainder 0. The 1 we keep, we had it here, making 2, plus this, making 3. 2 in 3, 1, remainder 1. The 1 we carry lately, had it here, it makes 2. We cannot sustain the 2. 2 in 2, 1, again, remainder 0. We had the 1 here, making 3. 2 in 3, 1, remainder 1. This 1, we had it here, making 2. We cannot sustain 2. 2 into 1, remainder 0. So this last one had it here. So this is what we have to add to 1001. Therefore, 10, 10, 10, 01 base 2 plus 1001 base 2. Are you following? The ones in brackets raised to power 2 is dissolved to be 10101001. And we have to add that result to 1001 base 2. So this is, which is what we are doing here. Same base 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write the 2. 2 into 2 is 1, remainder 0. The 1 we carry here, add it to these two zeros, making 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. But you cannot sustain the 2. 2 into 1, remainder 0. The 1 we carry, add it to this 0, making 1. This 1, this 0, then this 1. So this is the final answer. The final answer is 10110010 base 2. Example 3. Under the miscellaneous questions. Arrange in ascending order of magnitude 26 base 7, 13 base 5, and 15 base 6. Well, in order not to stress yourself at all, when you get questions like this, quickly convert each of them to base 10. So this will be 2 times 7 raised to power 1 plus 6 times 7 raised to power 0. So this will be 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 6, that's 6. The final answer is 20 base 10. This one will be 1 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 3 times 5 raised to power 0, which is 5 plus 3. Look at this very well. 5 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. So this is 8 base 10. And the last one is 1 times 6 raised to power 1 plus 5 times 6 raised to power 0, which is 6. 6 raised to power 1 is 6 times 1 is 6 plus 6 raised to power 0 is 1 times 5 is 5. Addition is 11. Now, using the numbers in base 10 to organize them, in ascending order means from the smallest to the highest. So the smallest number here is 8, which is 13 base 5, comma, followed by 11, which is 15 base 6. And finally, 20, which is 26 base 7. And that is how to answer such question. I want you to do these assignments. Make sure you finish every question there. So by the time we meet in the next class, we do justice to the questions together. But make sure you get them all.